Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel SAIEDUPHARMAA. Today we are with part 3 of our MCQs for PhD entrance test or GPAT or pharmacy subject. In this video we are going to discuss 31 to 40 MCQs. In first part we have discussed 1 to 20 MCQs. In part 2 we have discussed 21 to 30 MCQs, and in this part from 31 to 40th MCQ we will be discussing. So what is the general mechanism of an enzyme? It acts by reducing the activation energy, it acts by increasing the activation energy, it acts by decreasing the pH, or it acts by increasing the pH. Here the answer is it acts by reducing the activation energy. Activation energy is what? It is energy which is required for the molecules to start their action in the chemical reaction so that the product could be formed. And here enzymes, they reduce the activation energy. The antibody that is first formed after infection is IgG, IgM, IgD or IgE. When the infection occurs, then IgM is formed. You can see in this graph, when the onset of symptoms occurs, then IgM is produced, and after that IgG is produced. And when the patient begins to recover, then IgM disappears, but IgG remains in blood and provides long-term immunity. Next is thermal death time is time required to kill all cells at a given temperature, temperature that kills all cells in a given time, time and temperature needed to kill all cells, all of the above. We know that thermal word is related to temperature. So the temperature that kills all cells in a given time is called thermal death time. Next is artificial invert sugar is an adulterant for honey, and it is detected by the test. Here the answer is Feen's test. Fee's test. The test not used as an analytical parameter for oil is acetyl value, acid value, hydroxyl value or ketone value. Here the answer is ketone value. Cardiac glycosides originate from, here the answer is mevalonic acid. Which device is used to isolate the radiation of the desired wavelength from wavelength of the continuous spectra? Monochromator, radiation source, recorder or none of the above? Here the answer is A, that is monochromator. In a mass spectrometer, the ion currents are measured using which of the following? Scintillation counter, ion counter, electrometer tube or electric fields? Here the answer is electrometer tube. In which of the following type of paper chromatography does the mobile phase move horizontally over a circular sheet of paper? Ascending paper chromatography, descending paper chromatography, radial paper chromatography or ascending descending chromatography? In this the answer is radial paper chromatography. This is the diagram in which you can see that horizontally the solvent flow occurs. Next is viral mediated gene transfer is called A, conjugation, B, transduction, C, transformation, D, transversion. Here the answer is B, transduction. So thank you so much. Stay connected with SAIEDUPHARMAA. We will be coming with many more videos, and do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel SAIEDUPHARMAA.